Hi everyone, my name is Carla. I'm so happy to see you on my channel. Today it's raining outside, so I want to cook something sweet. So turn your oven and let's cook some homemade muffins together. Let's start.
A simple and very cozy recipe that always turns out great. Into the bowl I crack 2 eggs, add a pinch of salt, about 150 grams of sugar, and a little baking powder. Only after that do I start whisking everything together until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. It turns airy and smooth, a perfect base for cupcakes. Once the mixture is well whipped, I add 100 milliliters of vegetable oil. Sometimes I swap it for melted butter if I want a richer flavor. Then I pour in about 200 milliliters of kefir, yogurt or milk. I mix everything gently until the batter becomes smooth and uniform. Next, I gradually add about 300 grams of flour, and some cocoa powder. Then gently mix everything until the batter is smooth and lump-free. The texture becomes rich and chocolatey. After that, I add sliced banana and a handful of nuts. They give extra flavor and make the cupcakes more filling and aromatic. I pour the finished batter into the molds, filling them about 2/3 full so the cupcakes rise nicely while baking. I place them in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. The kitchen quickly fills with that warm homemade baking smell. The cupcakes come out soft, fluffy, and perfect with tea or coffee.
So it was my favorite recipe of homemade cupcakes. If you want to see more moments from my life, don't forget to subscribe on my OnlyFans page. See you in next video, guys. Bye bye.